Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get lifetime free access to Canva Pro. So basically if you want to create or if you want to have a Canva account, you have to go to Canva and then you have to create an account here. You have to sign up using your email address. So you have reason how to sign up. Once you have created a Canva account right here, what you're going to do in order for you to have access to their Pro, or if you want to upgrade your Canva into Pro, you have to click this try pro for 30 days. And as you can see, in order for you to have access to this, unlock this, you have to click this start by free trial. And of course, you need to purchase this one. Now, in order for you to activate this one, or in order for you to use this Canva Pro, what you're going to do is you have to exit your Canva account right here. And then you have to open a new tab and then search for this SM Hunter. You have to click the very first link that you can see here. This one. Tap this. It will take you directly to their homepage. And then what you're going to do is you have to select an article right here. You have to read. If there are ads, you need to watch. And then after that, you have to scroll down and you will see activate Canva Pro. So for example, this one right here, if you tap this and read this article and then scroll down or watch videos or ads and then scroll down, you will see activate Pro. And then all you have to do is to click that one and then wait for 60 seconds to finish. Now, most of the cases you will see this notification that a lot of people already use this one. So you have to go and look for another article again. And same thing, scroll down till you see Activate Pro and then wait for 60 minutes. And then what you're going to do is you have to simply connect your Canva in order for you to have access to this or activate this. So tap activate, you will be added to their team. And then once you're added to their team, then you can simply use the features under Pro version in Canva. As easy as that. So if you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to create for tutorials, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.